Okay, let's start with the topic layouts. This topic we'll see what do you mean by layout, how layout is going to be work. So in the Android, right, there are different layouts. Presently you have seen your linear layout, which is either vertically or horizontally. Now what I want to do is that I want to create what you can say layout like this. Let me show you on the preview. I want to create layout like this. So consider that this is my mobile. I want to create one button over here. I want to create another button over here. I want to create another button over here, here, here. So how you would be doing this thing with the linear layout? Linear layout is kind of arrangement either vertically or the horizontally, not for such layouts. Okay, more complex, I want to create one more button over here, another over here, another over here, and another over here. So I want to make this hierarchy, or I want to make buttons like this. So for that, relative layout is the fantastic layout. Why? See, a layout where the positions of the children can be described in the relation to each other or the parent. See what they are saying. Layout where position of the children can be described in relation to each other or to the parent. Means this with respect to the parent, center in the parent, to the bottom, to the left of this, right or above this, below this, likewise. Right, let's see. You'll come to know once I type the code. Now let me have button over here, button, wrap content. Can you see? By default, without any alignment, one button is at top left. Now I want to pull this button at the right. So in that case, what I would be doing is that this, but see, one more button is getting created over there. Yes, on there only. I want to pull it to right. Align parent right. You can say true. Gravity is in the linear layout, right? Gravity is in the linear layout. Okay, so you can say that I would be getting this one linear layout, this another linear layout. But how you will take one linear layout to the bottom? That is the question in the case of linear layout. If your outer layout is the linear layout, how you will be getting at the bottom? Okay, now same thing I want to repeat at the bottom. Means one thing is very clear. I want to copy these two things because they are going to get identified at the bottom. See, align parent right true and this. So I will add one align parent bottom, you can say true. Right, again it is already at the right, but at the top align parent bottom, once again true, like this. Right, now I want to make one button at the center. So there is one method called as center in parent button, wrap content, and you can say center in parent, say true. One button would be at the center. Now alongside the center, I want to pour the buttons alongside the center. How? Means this center would be the reference. Let me give some ID to the center button. ID at plus ID btn center. Right, now right off center, left off center, above center, and below center. Right, let's see this thing. Let me create one button, wrap content and wrap content. Right, below, what you can say, now I am referring to the center. I'm not creating new here. I have created at plus id, means I have created. I want to refer now at id. I am referring btn center. Can you see BTN center? Below BTN center. But that is not exact below this thing. If you want to get exact below, attach one more property, center in parent true. That should be also a center in parent. Okay. Similarly, what I'm going to do is that this wrap content, instead of below, I can say above, right? Again, let me copy this button over here, and instead of above and below, I can say left and right, like this. See, to left of BTN center. Similarly, to right of, instead of to left of, you can say to right of. Now here is your clean layout. It is the most difficult using linear layout, but you made it very simple. Now I want to disable this. I don't want to be present over here. Now see, every view has three visibility properties. What I'm saying? Every view has three visibility properties: visible, invisible, and the gone. By default, view is visible. Now see, now what I will do is that visibility, I can say gone, collapsed. All three, all four views would be collapsed to one, because gone is going to remove that view. It is not going to only disappear, it is going to remove that space as well, and that's why all four are getting collapsed. So if you don't want to collapse, make it invisible, just disappear from that, but space is retained. Space over there is retained. Is that fine? So this is that. So visibility and the invisibility, all other things would be very same thing. Relative layout, remember that, relative layout. So this is how relative layout will work, right? Now I want to create something nesting of the layout, nested layouts, that we'll see in the next tutorial. How we are going to provide nesting of the layouts, right? We'll see. Fine.